All right, guys. Let's talk a little about how to remove the default styling that comes with our browsers when we want to start a project. So, if you want to write code, you need to have it in mind that your browser always adds some bit of padding, some bit of margin to the elements on the page, your p tag, your div tags, and everything. They come with default padding, default margins, and all of that. So before you start coding, it is best practice for you to overwrite that, to clean that, to take everything off, wipe everything off, and start from a clean slate. Or else you would be coding and whatever you are writing would simply refuse to work. Yeah. So how do we do that? For instance, just to describe to explain what I just did, what I'm saying, just to like let's see it in practice. So for instance, I have a div here called container. So I'm just going to target that div. I'm going to give it a width of 50, 500 pixels, and then a height of 500 pixels as well. Hopefully that's not too much. And then I'll give it a background color from teal. I love teal so much. I don't know. My favorite color now. Alright, okay, so this is the box here. I have a width of 500, height of 500. But that's not the point. The point is if you check this web page, you see that even though we did not add any padding to this box, but we see that just at the top here there's a little bit of padding here, and somewhere here there's also a little bit of padding. So that's just basically what we are saying. So your browser is the one adding this padding to whatever you are doing. So it's best practice to clean everything off and then manually add this padding exactly the way you want them to be. So to do that, it's very simple. You go to your style.css. Most times is the first thing you do actually. So make this a practice. Once you're about to start, using your star selector, just star, you can hold down shift and press 8 to get this. Anyway, my laptop anyway. You hold down shift and press 8, you get your star, and then you you give padding 0, margin 0, and then box sizing border box. Later we are going to talk about border box in details, but for now this is what you have to do. So what this does is it clears the formatting of everything, all the whole elements in your HTML documents. So when you add a padding or you add margin, it is exactly what you added that will be on the page, and none of those margins that was added by your browser. All right. So as you can see now, up here there is nothing here, nothing, and by the side there's also no padding. So we've cleaned this up, and now we're ready to go. So that's as easy as it is to clean off your set up your website, your editor, so that you can now make specific and yeah, just make good coding yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah. So you just clean the defaults and make use of your own code. All right. If you have any questions, as usual, you can always ask, and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you.